Hello, hello. Welcome to Top English. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hello, everyone.
Today is a very nice day to talk about feelings. We all have feelings every day. Happy feelings, sad feelings, angry feelings, excited feelings. Right, Mike?
Yes, Sarah. Feelings are normal. Everyone feels something every day. Today, we learn many ways to talk about feelings in English.
Good. Let's start with a simple question. Mike, how do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel good. I feel happy. The studio is warm. The coffee is nice. How do you feel, Sarah?
I feel happy too, but I also feel a little nervous. I always feel a little nervous before we start the podcast.
Nervous is a good word. Why do you feel nervous?
Because I want the episode to be good for our listeners. I want everyone to understand and learn.
That's nice. It's okay to feel nervous sometimes. Now let's talk about happy more. When do you feel happy, Sarah?
I feel happy when I eat my favorite food. Pizza makes me happy. Ice cream makes me happy. Also, when I talk to my mom on the phone, that makes me very happy.
Yes, food is good for happy feelings. I feel happy when I play football with my friends. After the game, even if we lose, I feel happy because we laugh a lot.
Laughing is very good. When we laugh, we feel happy. Do you laugh a lot, Mike?
Yes, I laugh every day. My little brother is very funny. He tells jokes. His jokes make me laugh. Then I feel happy.
That's nice. Now, let's talk about sad. Do you feel sad sometimes?
Yes, I feel sad when it rains all day. I like to go outside, but rain stops me. Then I feel sad. What makes you sad, Sarah?
I feel sad when I see old photos of my dog. My dog was very old, and now he is not here. When I look at his photo, I feel sad.
I understand. Losing a pet is very hard. It makes many people feel sad. It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
Yes, and when we feel sad, we can talk to friends. Talking helps.
True. Now another feeling, angry. Do you get angry easily?
Not very easily, but sometimes yes. When people talk loudly on the phone in the bus, I feel angry. It's noisy. I can't listen to my music.
I know that. I feel angry when someone takes my parking place. I drive around for 10 minutes, then someone takes it. Then I feel a little angry.
Yes, angry is normal, but it's good to stay calm. We can say, I feel angry, but I can breathe and relax.
Good advice. Now let's talk about tired. Everyone feels tired sometimes.
Yes, after work, I feel very tired. My legs hurt, my eyes hurt. I just want to sit on the sofa.
Same here. After a long day at the office, I feel tired. Sometimes I feel so tired that I fall asleep on the sofa. Do you do that?
Yes, sometimes. I sit down and 5 minutes later, I'm sleeping. Then I wake up and feel confused.
Confused is another feeling. I feel confused when I read new English words. Too many words, my head feels full.
Yes, confused is okay. We learn slowly, no problem.
Now, excited. I like this feeling. When do you feel excited?
I feel excited when I buy a ticket for a concert or when I plan a trip. Last month, I booked a ticket to the sea. I felt so excited.
Nice. I feel excited before a new video game comes out. I wait for months. Then the day comes. I feel very excited.
Yes, excited makes our heart go fast. Bum, bum, bum.
Exactly. Another feeling, scared. Are you scared of anything?
Yes, I'm scared of dogs. Big dogs. When a big dog runs to me, I feel scared. I stop and don't move.
I understand. I'm scared of needles. When I go to the doctor for a vaccine, I feel scared. My hands shake.
Many people are scared of needles. It's normal. Now, bored. Do you feel bored sometimes?
Yes, when I wait at the bank, long line, no phone battery, I feel very bored.
Same. Or when I clean the house. Cleaning is boring. I listen to music to feel better.
Good idea. Music helps when we feel bored.
Let's talk about more feelings. What about surprised?
Surprised is fun. Last week, my friend gave me a birthday cake at work. I didn't know. I felt very surprised and happy.
Nice. I like surprises. When my sister visits me without telling me, I open the door and surprise! I feel surprised and happy.
Yes, surprised can be good or bad. Sometimes bad surprise, like when I lose my keys. I feel surprised and then worried.
Worried is another feeling. I feel worried when my mom is sick. I call her every day. Mom, are you okay?
Yes, worried is common. We worry about family, we worry about work, we worry about tests.
But talking helps. When we say, I feel worried, friends can help.
True. Now, proud. Do you feel proud sometimes?
Yes, when I finish a difficult book in English, I feel proud. I say, whoa, I did it.
Good. I feel proud when my team wins, or when I cook a new dish and it tastes good.
Nice. Proud is a very good feeling.
Let's talk about one more. Lonely. Do you ever feel lonely?
Yes, when I moved to the city, I felt lonely. No friends here, no family. I felt lonely many days.
I know that feeling. When my best friend moved to another country, I felt lonely. But then I made new friends. Now I feel better.
Yes, making friends helps. We can say, I feel lonely. Do you want to meet for coffee?
Perfect. That's a good sentence.
Okay, let's review all the feelings we talked about.
Good idea. Let's make a list slowly.
Happy,
Sad,
angry,
tired,
sleepy,
nervous,
excited,
scared,
bored,
confused,
surprised,
worried,
proud,
lonely.
and homesick. We said homesick before.
Yes, homesick when we miss home.
Very good. Now, listeners, you can practice. Every morning, look in the mirror and say how you feel.
For example, today I feel happy, or today I feel tired, or today I feel excited.
Yes, and ask your friends, how do you feel today?
They can answer, I feel good, or I feel sad, or I feel nervous.
This helps your English and it helps your heart too.
Yes, talking about feelings is good for everyone.
Now, one more thing. We can use I'm feeling or I feel.
Both are good. I'm feeling happy today, or I feel happy today. Same meaning.
And we can add why. I feel happy because the sun is shining. I feel sad because I miss my friends.
Very good sentences. Practice them.
Okay, listeners, we talked a lot about feelings today.
We hope you learned many new words and sentences.
Try to use them this week. Tell a friend how you feel.
Yes, and come back next time for more English.
Thank you for listening to Top English.
We are happy you are here with us.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Feel good.